Good morning, children. I continue at 4 scene 1 from line 112. Iris. You nymphs. Nymphs are the beautiful maids living in the rivers, called naiads. Though the nymphs which live in rivers are known as naiads. Of the wandering brooks. Brooks means streams. With your sedged crowns. Sedged crowns means crowns made out of reed. Reed is a plant. उसके bark से वो जो nymphs हैं वो बहुत ब्यूटीफुल मेड्स होती हैं. वो रिवर में रहती हैं और वो अपने सिर का जो क्राउन है वो प्लांट्स के जो रीड प्लांट होता है उसके bark से बनाती हैं. एंड एवर हार्मलेस. एवर हार्मलेस here means innocent. Nymphs are very innocent. Looks. Leave your crisp channels. Crisp channels here refers to curled channels. Channels means rippled water जहाँ होता है rivers. And on this green land, answer your summons. So here Iris is calling the spirits to come in the form of nymphs. Who are nymphs? Nymphs are the beautiful maids which live in the rivers. They are very innocent, very beautiful, and they have crowns of plants. Answer your summons. Come. Juno is calling you. Juno does command. Juno is calling you here. Come, temperate nymphs. Temperate here means chaste, pure nymphs, and help to celebrate a contract of true love. Be not too late. He says, come quickly. You have to celebrate a contract of true love. That is an engagement of Ferdinand and Miranda, and do not be late. Enter certain nymphs. So the nymphs come. These are the जो जल परियाँ होती हैं. You sunburnt sicklemen. And then Iris calls the sunburnt sicklemen. Sicklemen जो हार्वेस्ट करते हैं, जो धान वगैरह गेहूँ वगैरह काटते हैं अपने उससे सिकल से. सिकल होती है दरांत. Of August weary, and they are tired of the August month. It's hot also. They've been reaping the harvest. Come hither from the furrow and be merry. Furrow जहाँ पर उन्होंने खुदाई करी हुई है, तुम खुदाई करके थक गए होगे. आओ and be merry and enjoy the engagement of the couple. Make holiday, enjoy yourself. Your rice straw hats put on. और ये जो सनबर्न सिकलमैन होते हैं क्योंकि ये धूप में काम करते हैं तो सनबर्न हो जाते हैं, तो ये क्या पहनते हैं, ये स्ट्रॉ हैट्स पहनते हैं. तो कह रहे स्ट्रॉ हैट्स पहन के आओ. एंड दीज फ्रेश नेम्स एनकाउंटर everyone in country footing. Country footing means folk dance. Country dance का मतलब folk dance. So he says, Iris tells the sickle men that come here, reapers जो reap करते हैं आइए and dance folk dance along with the nymphs. So on the stage there are the goddesses and the nymphs and the reapers, and they are all dancing and singing. So a very nice entertainment there. Prospero. Enter certain reapers properly habited. Prospero. Aside. I had forgot that foul conspiracy. Now he's saying aside means these words, these thoughts are going on in his mind. And how will the audience know? So you have to speak an aside. I had forgot that foul conspiracy. Which foul conspiracy he is referring to? The Caliban has conspired against his life. Of the beast Caliban and his confederates. Confederates means his companions, Stefano and Trincello, against my life. The minute of their plot is almost come. So right now he remembers that the time has come that Caliban has come close to his cell to kill him. Well done to the spirits. Well done, avoid no more. Then he tells the spirits, you have performed your performances very well, very well done, and you may go without any delay. Ferdinand. This is strange. Your father is in some passion. Passion here means anger. That works him strongly. Right now, Prospero was so happy to see all this show, and he was very proud of his magic, but that by his magic he was able to show his vanity to Ferdinand and Miranda. But all of a sudden he becomes very angry. He becomes angry when he remembers Caliban's conspiracy. So Ferdinand finds it very strange that just now he was so happy and all of a sudden he's become so angry. Miranda never till this day saw I him touched with anger so distempered. Distempered means unrestrained. She says, so far till today, I have never seen him so angry that he cannot control his anger. Prospero, you do look, my son, in a moved sort. Then when he looks at Prospero, he finds him upset. So he says, you're looking very upset, as if you were dismayed. He's saying it is looking like you are very much shocked. Be cheerful. Then he doesn't want him to be sad or unhappy. He says, be cheerful, be happy, sir. Our revels now are ended. He says, हमारा जो merry making था, that is finished. These are actors. ये जो सब अभी spirits आई थी, they are actors. Real gods and goddesses नहीं थे ये. As I foretold you, जैसे मैंने आपको पहले बताया था, were all spirits. जो भी ये आए थे goddesses, they were not real goddesses. They were the spirits. They were acting like goddesses. And I melted into air. So वो तो spirits थे. Spirits तो real नहीं होती. So they disappear into the air, into the thin air. And like the baseless fabric of this vision, ये जो विजन था उसका जो फैब्रिक था वो कैसा था? बेसलेस. उसकी कोई भी बेस नहीं थी. द क्लाउड कैप्ड टावर्स, द गॉर्जियस पैलेसेस. क्लाउड कैप्ड टावर्स का मतलब वेरी हाई टावर्स. Gorgeous palaces. Gorgeous palaces refers to very beautiful, magnificent palaces. The solemn temples. Solemn means holy temples. The great globe itself, the whole world itself. Yea, all which it inherit. Whatever the world, whatever it inherits with it, shall dissolve. Like these spirits dissolved into, because they were spirits, they dissolved into the air within a second. In the same way, high towers, beautiful palaces, holy temples, and the world itself with everything it has will disappear one day like this. And like this insubstantial pageant faded. Like this unreal pageant means show. Like this unreal show faded, in the same way world will also fade. Leave not a rag behind. एंड विल नॉट, जैसे स्पिरिट्स गई तो कोई भी स्पिरिट वापस नहीं बची, कोई भी ट्रेस नहीं बचा. ऐसे ही एक दिन वर्ल्ड भी फिनिश हो जाएगा एंड नो ट्रेस विल बी लेफ्ट बिहाइंड. वी आर सच स्टफ, ह्यूमन बींग्स आर सच स्टफ्स एज ड्रीम्स आर मेड ऑन. ह्यूमन्स कैसे हैं? वी आर मेड अप ऑफ स्टफ which is like dreams. ड्रीम्स कैसी होती है? we dream and the dream is over. वो कोई रियलिटी तो नहीं होती. So human beings are also like dreams. And our little life is rounded with a sleep. और हमारी जो लाइफ होती है, it finishes how? With a sleep. Here the sleep refers to death. Sir, I am vexed. He tells Ferdinand that I am vexed, I am angry. Bear with my weakness. So he says, please tolerate this weakness of being angry. My brain is troubled. He says, right now my mind is too much disturbed. Be not disturbed with my infirmity. Don't disturb your mind with my infirmity, means weakness. If you be pleased, if you want, retire into my cell. So if you please, you can go to my cell and there repose, and there you can rest. A turn or two I'll walk. He says, I'll take 1 or 2 rounds to still my beating mind, to calm down my beating mind. Ferdinand, Miranda, we wish you peace. So they see that their father is so much disturbed, so they wish for him that he may have peace. Prospero, come with a thought. I thank thee, Ariel, come. He says, come with a thought, Ariel, quickly, and I thank you for all the work you have done. Re-enter Ariel. Ariel, thy thought I cleave to. What's thy pleasure? He says, I am clinging to your thought. What is your pleasure? What do you wish? Prospero, spirit, we must prepare to meet with Caliban. He says, we have to get ready to meet Caliban. Ariel, I, my commander, when I presented Ceres, I thought to have told thee of it, but I feared lest I might anger thee. As soon as he had called Ceres, he knew, Ariel, that Caliban has come to close to the cell, and it is time to spoil his plan. But he did not tell Prospero at that very moment, because he thought he might get angry. Prospero, say again, where didst thou leave these wallets? He said, tell me, where have you left these wallets? Wallets means rascals, rogues, scoundrels. इनको विकेट लोगों को आपने कहाँ छोड़ के आए हो? Ariel, I told you, sir, they were red hot with drinking. He says, I told you they had drunk too much. बहुत ज़्यादा drink कर ली थी उन्होंने. So full of valor that they smote the air. And they had drunk so much, they were not in their senses, and they became so brave that they were striking. Smote means striking the air. वो air को मार रहे थे. क्यों? With their swords. For breathing in their faces. क्योंकि air उनके face पे ब्रीथ उनके फेसेस को टच कर रही थी. अब एयर तो टच करती है फेसेस को. बीट द ग्राउंड फॉर किसिंग ऑफ द फीट. व्हेन यू विल वॉक नेचुरली योर फीट विल टच द ग्राउंड. सो दे वर गेटिंग एंग्री ऑन द ग्राउंड दैट व्हाई द ग्राउंड इज किसिंग देयर फीट. Yet always bending towards their project. So all these things show that they were not at all in their sense. They were speaking senseless things. But इस state में भी they had not forgotten their plan, their project of killing Prospero. Then I beat my tabor. It says, then I beat my drum. Tabor is a drum. At which, like unbacked colts, they pricked their ears. And he said, as soon as I beat my drum, they followed me. कैसे? जैसे अनबैक्ड कोल्स. अनबैक्ड कोल्स होता है यंग वन ऑफ अ हॉर्स. और वो यंग वन ऑफ अ हॉर्स जिसके पीठ पे अभी लोग सवारी नहीं किया है, तो वो अनबैक्ड है, उस पर सवारी नहीं हुई है. अनबैक्ड कोल्स की तरह उन्होंने क्या करा? दे प्रिक द ईयर्स. ठीक है. एडवांस द आईलेट्स. और आंखें आईलेट्स उन्होंने खोल दी. लिफ्टेड अप द नोजेस. और नोजेस को ऊपर लिफ्ट किया इन द एयर एज दे स्मेल्ड म्यूजिक. म्यूजिक एक्चुअली इज हर्ड. तो वो दे वर ट्राइंग टू हियर म्यूजिक विद देयर नोजेस. सो आई चार्म द ईयर्स. तो उसने क्या करा? एरियल ने उनके ईयर्स को चार्म कर दिया. दैट काफ लाइक दे माई लोइंग फॉलो थ्रू. और जैसे काफ जो गाय का बच्चा होता है, जैसे उसकी मदर आवाज देती है वो उसको फॉलो करता है. बिल्कुल कैसे फॉलो करता है? विदाउट without thinking, just follows the mother. In the same way, these three followed Ariel. From where did they walk through? Tooth briars. Tooth briars होते हैं कांटे वाली झाड़ियाँ. ठीक है. सब thorns वाली जगह में वो चलते चले गए because they were fascinated by the magic. Pricking gauze and thorns which entered their frail shins. At last I left them. और सारे ये जो कांटे थे वो उनके पैरों में चुभने लगे. और वहाँ से ही लेफ्ट देम इन द फिल्थी मेंटल पूल. उसने एक बहुत ही गंदे पूल में उनको छोड़ दिया. बियॉन्ड योर सेल. प्रॉस्पेरो के सेल के पीछे. दे डांसिंग अप टू द चिन्स. और वो डर्टी वाटर जो है वो उनके चिन तक पहुँच चुका है. Prospero, this was well done, my bird. I says, you have done it very well. Thy shape invisible retain thou still. Says, still you be in invisible form. The trumpery in my house. Trumpery means the garments. He was a king, तो उसके सेल के अंदर बहुत सारे गॉडी, बहुत कलरफुल से ग्लिटरिंग वो थे गारमेंट्स, जैसे किंग के होते हैं. तो वो कह रहा है कि ब्रिंग इट आउट. गो ब्रिंग इट हिदर. बाहर ले आओ. टू स्टेल टू कैच दीज थीव्स. टू ट्रैप these thieves. And who are the thieves? That is Caliban, Stefano and Trinculo. So I end it here. The next video I'll continue from page line 75.